This is what it comes in. It came in a little box, but this little bag. HighOh is a company that started out, they didn't have a lot of money. They were a poor family, and they didn't have the finances for a woman's menstrual products every month. So they decided that they would create something that is affordable, that is washable, that will make you feel safe at night. It's reusable. It doesn't have any chemicals. It's high quality and it's handmade. So this is what they sent. This is what it looks like. These are the underwear. Okay, these are women's underwear, but they have a liner in here to protect you at night. So what you do is you wear these at night when you have that time of the month, and they'll make you feel safe, secure. Plus, it's affordable, and save yourself some money. You can sleep peacefully. And HighOh has been on several different TV channels as well.